It's my brother's graduation.
El día de hoy me siento feliz, satisfecha, orgullosa.
3 years is quite short for persons like me at an old stage, but it's allowed for a young man.
Welcome to our 2026 graduation ceremony here in beautiful Lucerne.
You will get a paper today who proves your effort, what you did all the last years, but it's much more.
I came to Switzerland when I was 17 years old because I wanted to become the greatest chef in the world. And looking back, I realized something funny. I became someone completely different. Because the 17-year-old version of me thought success was about standing above people, and this new 21-year-old version thinks that success is about standing with them.
We became a family, not because we were the same, but because we learned from our differences.
The house converted into a restaurant, and not just a restaurant, a 5-star restaurant.
Dining. Он очень изменился. Он возмужал, вырос и физически, и умственно.
Hoy por hoy es una mujer capaz, resiliente y che è segura di sí misma.
È diventato veramente un businessman.
Νομίζω τίποτα δεν είναι εύκολο, αλλά όλα τα εφόδια που έχει αποκτήσει από το BHMS αυτά τα χρόνια, νομίζω ότι είναι έτοιμη για να βγει εκεί έξω και δεν φοβάμαι τίποτα.
BHMS was your home, it will ever be your home. Come back to Lucerne, visit us whenever you want.
You have achieved something remarkable today. You are graduating and embarking on a great future.